Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe. Today we'll be showing you around this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SE Navigation. Finishing wide and powered by 2-liter diesel engine delivering 150 PS and paired with DSG automatic transmission, the Tiguan offers capable and comfortable all-season driving experience thanks to its 4Motion all-wheel drive system. From the front, this Tiguan makes a confident impression with its halogen clear headlights, chrome trim on the grille and air intake, and a practical static cornering front fog lights. The 18-inch Patagonia alloy wheels not only enhance its stance but also contribute to a composed ride quality and improve the road grip. At the back, the Tiguan features rear tinted glass for added privacy, a soft rear spoiler and practical LED number plate lights. The boot offers excellent versatility with variable floor and a wide flat loading area. Thanks to 40-20-40 split folding rear seats and load-through provision, it's ideal for family holidays. Passengers in the back are treated to adjustable sliding rear seats, fold-down tray tables, ISOFIX points for child seats and ample legroom. The front comfort seats are height and number adjustable with under-seat drawers for added practicality. The dashboard layout is clean and functional, featuring soft touch materials and chromed highlights. The leather multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifters gives you control at your fingertips, while the digital display offers easy-to-read driving data. It comes equipped with a three-zone electronic climate control with automatic air recirculation, ensuring that everyone on board enjoys personalized comfort, perfect for unpredictable British summers. Infotainment system offers composition media with DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for phone and audio streaming, and USB and app integration via CarNet App Connect. You also get navigation with Discover touchscreen system and Net Guide and Inform, as well as voice control for hands-free convenience. Within the vehicle settings, you can access off-road info display and vehicle settings for added confidence on any terrain, as well as feedback from front and rear parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI SE Navigation. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.